Tired of waking up to new breakouts? Is oily skin and painful inflammation constantly getting you down? If acne has been messing with your confidence, your mood, or just your daily life in general, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a natural breakthrough supplement that's helping people all over the world finally take back control of their skin health. This is Zinamax, a powerful anti-acne formula designed to fight the problem from the inside out, not just cover it up on the surface. So what exactly is Zinamax? It's a nutritional supplement packed with plant extracts, vitamins, minerals, and other skin-loving nutrients. They all work together in harmony to improve your skin's clarity, reduce breakouts, and restore a healthy, glowing complexion. Now you might be wondering, what makes it different from all the creams and spot treatments out there? Well, Zinamax works internally. It gets to the root causes of acne. Things like inflammation, excess oil production, bacteria buildup, and slow skin healing. The real star of the show inside Zinamax is an ingredient called Lactoferrin. This is a scientifically studied protein that's a true powerhouse. It's known for its incredible antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. What does that mean for your skin? Studies show that Lactoferrin helps to reduce the harmful bacteria linked to acne, calms down all that redness and swelling, and even helps prevent future breakouts. It also supports faster skin repair, which is crucial. All of this means you can get clearer skin without relying on harsh chemicals or those drying, topical treatments that can sometimes make things worse. Let's break down how Zinamax helps your skin from within. First, it helps control sebum production. Oily skin is one of the main reasons pores get clogged in the first place, and Zinamax helps regulate that oil production naturally. Next, it fights inflammation. Those red, angry, irritated pimples become way less aggressive thanks to its anti-inflammatory nutrients. It also deals with acne-causing bacteria right at the source, instead of just treating what you see on the surface. Plus, it supports wound healing, so breakouts clear up faster, reducing the chances of leaving behind stubborn scars and dark spots. And one of the best parts? Unlike many typical acne products, Zinamax actually helps keep your skin moisturized and balanced, not stripped and dry. So, what can you actually expect when you start using Zinamax? Most people start to see visible improvements in their skin within the first 30 days. We're talking a smoother complexion, less oiliness, and a noticeable reduction in how often you break out. With consistent use, you can look forward to even more benefits. Fewer pimples and less inflammation overall. A significant reduction in that oily shine. Faster skin recovery after a breakout, and just more even-looking, healthier skin in general. It's about building that foundation for long-term skin health. Who is Zinamax really for? It's perfect for anyone who's struggling with persistent acne or hormonal breakouts. It's great for those with oily or combination skin types who feel like they're constantly fighting shine. If you deal with a lot of redness, swelling, and inflammation, this could be a game changer. It is also fantastic for people concerned about acne scars, or just feel like their skin takes forever to heal. If you feel like you've tried every cream, face wash, and spot treatment under the sun with little to no lasting results, it might be time to try an inside-out approach. Here's the thing. Having clear, healthy skin isn't just about how you look, it's about confidence, comfort, and feeling genuinely great in your own skin. And with Zinamax, you finally have a natural, effective solution that works on a deeper level, far beyond the surface. Are you ready to take control of your skin health for good? Visit the official website. Put the link in the description and pinned comment below to learn more and grab your supply of Zinamax today. Start your clear skin journey now. Your future self will definitely thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on feeling your best.